Are you searching for a TV that combines cutting-edge technology with outstanding visual and audio quality? The 75-inch LG QNED90T might just be what you're looking for. This TV promises to bring the cinema experience to your living room with its impressive features. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive in and find out. The LG QNED90 sports a sleek and modern design that blends effortlessly with any home decor. Its ultra-thin bezels and slim profile give it a premium look, making the screen the main focal point. The back of the TV houses all the ports and connectors in a neat arrangement, ensuring that cable management is hassle-free. With its sturdy build quality, the QNED90 feels durable. The stand is robust, providing ample support for the TV, but you also have the option to mount it on the wall for a more streamlined appearance. The minimalist design approach emphasizes functionality without compromising on aesthetics. Ready to upgrade your home entertainment setup? Check out the LG QNED90 on Amazon for more details and the best deals. The LG QNED90 features a 75-inch mini LED display, offering an impressive visual experience. The 4K UHD resolution ensures that every detail is rendered with stunning clarity. The mini LED technology, coupled with full-array local dimming, provides excellent brightness and contrast, making colors pop and blacks appear deep and rich. One of the standout features of this TV is its high refresh rate of 120Hz, which ensures smooth motion handling, perfect for fast-paced action scenes and gaming. The QNED90 supports a wide color gamut, delivering vibrant and lifelike colors, further enhanced by HDR formats like Dolby Vision, HDR10, and HLG. However, it's worth noting that some users have reported blooming issues in dark scenes, which can be a minor distraction in certain viewing conditions. Experience the ultimate in picture quality. Visit the Amazon link in the video description to explore the LG QNED90. The audio performance of the LG QNED90 is equally impressive. It comes equipped with a 2.2-channel speaker system, providing a total power output of 40 watts. The TV supports advanced audio technologies such as Dolby Atmos and DTS, creating an immersive sound experience that complements the stunning visuals. The AI Sound Pro feature automatically optimizes the audio settings based on the content being played, ensuring clear dialogue, rich bass, and balanced sound levels. While the built-in speakers are more than adequate for most users, audiophiles may still prefer to pair the TV with an external sound system or soundbar for an even more enhanced audio experience. Elevate your audio experience with the LG QNED90. Check out the Amazon link for more information. The LG QNED90 runs on the latest WebOS 24, providing a user-friendly interface with quick access to all your favorite streaming services. The homepage has been redesigned for better organization, allowing you to categorize apps into groups like music, sports, and games. This smart TV comes loaded with features such as an AI chatbot assistant and the ability to create up to 10 user profiles, each storing personalized settings and recommendations. It supports major apps like Netflix, Prime Video, and Disney+, ensuring you never miss out on your favorite shows. For gamers, the QNED90 is a fantastic choice. It features 4 HDMI 2.1 ports, supporting 4K at 120Hz, variable refresh rate, auto low latency mode, and compatibility with AMD FreeSync and NVIDIA G-Sync. These features ensure a seamless and responsive gaming experience with minimal input lag. Discover the smart features of the LG QNED90. Follow the Amazon link in the description to learn more. Here's a balanced view of the LG QNED90's strengths and weaknesses. Some blooming in dark scenes. Uniformity issues in areas with similar colors. Subpar upscaling for 480p content. Despite these drawbacks, this TV has several notable strengths that make it a compelling choice for any home. Outstanding contrast with local dimming. Great gaming features including VRR and low input lag. Excellent color accuracy and brightness. Sleek, modern design. What are your thoughts on the LG? Leave a comment below. The LG QNED90 is a top-tier TV that combines stunning visuals with powerful audio and smart features. While it has a few drawbacks, its advantages far outweigh them, making it a great choice for anyone looking to enhance their home entertainment experience. Enjoyed this review? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. See you in the next video.